Hi, seventh grade. Just wanted to share with you a quick overview of what to do in this lesson. So we're going to research and write a letter to our congressperson here. In this lesson, you're primarily going to do a research on one day. What you should be thinking about is an ecological movement that is meaningful to you. So there's a few different ones I've provided. You do the Sierra Club, which is about air, water, and land. World Wildlife Fund, if you're concerned about protecting wildlife. Audubon Society, if you're concerned about protecting birds and its habitats. Earth Justice for environmental law. Nature Conservancy for the general outdoors, or Oceana if you want to protect the oceans. Sierra Club, if you go here, you'll see a bunch of different resources. You generally click on the About Us. What we're looking for here is answers to a few different questions. So we're looking for things like what are the goals of the mission of this organization? What problems are they trying to address? What activities do they engage in to help meet their goals? Interesting facts or information that will be relevant to my letter to a congresswoman. When you look around, click on things like About Us. This will be very helpful to figure out what their goals are, they'll say what their challenges are, what they're trying to do. You might want to click on Explore Issues to see what types of things they're trying to do. You can click around Explore. Essentially, you're really just exploring this website. You have to find a lot of information. Okay, nowhere is it ever going to say, these are our goals, or this is the mission. Well, sometimes it might, but it's probably not going to just explicitly answer this question. You have to try to figure out. So you're going to find the things and then put in your own words what you've learned about this website. Okay, each website is a little bit different. World Wildlife Fund looks like this. Instead of saying About Us, Explore Issues, it has things like Our Work, the people, places, wildlife, and it kind of tells you a little bit more about each one. Audubon Society, let's see, their website looks like this, so you might want to go to Our Work. Here's what they do. Click on some things for some more. Maybe you want to find out about their climate. Here's what they're saying about it. Climate Initiative, here's one of the things that they're trying to do. Now these websites are massive and it's easy to go down the rabbit hole on them and just keep looking. So again, just try to figure out what are their goals? What is their mission? What are they trying to do? What are they focused on? How do they do it? Okay. Again, this is an exploring lesson. Take some time to read it through, collect information. Ultimately, your goal here is you're going to be writing a letter to a congressperson. You're going to be telling them, hey, I've learned about this organization. I think we should protect our planet. I wish you would take more action on this because we all need to work together to support and take care of our planet.